Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. Tricolour snacks attractively represent our national sentiment, and this Independence Day, let's quickly make a tasty and filling tricolour sandwich without onion or garlic. Let's start making with all easily available ingredients. For this we need some grated carrot as shown, about 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. I've used around 2.5 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise, the recipe of which you can find in the description below. However, you can choose any mayo that works for you. You may skip using cream as another ingredient here to adjust consistency and texture. We'll need some curd, a few mint leaves, some dhania, a little salt and some chaat masala, which is quite important here. Let's begin by mixing the grated carrot with mayonnaise. Now, excluding the carrot and mayonnaise, let's blend all the other ingredients while retaining some chopped capsicum for later use. I like the green chutney to be of this slightly coarse and flowy consistency, most likely based on the kind of curd. Our sandwich would have 3 slices in order to get the 3 colors, including the white layer of bread in between. Make sure to cut the sides off. And let's generously run the orange and green spreads on the layers as shown here. You may choose to toast the sandwich if you like it that way. However, I feel it is tastier like this. Let's cut this into 2 parts. And here we have our attractive and equally delicious tricolour sandwiches that you can enjoy for a hearty breakfast or as an evening snack. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends.
And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video.
Also follow me on Instagram and on my website for more useful insights on healthy eating and living. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.